In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead form to your website, whether you're looking to collect more information for your marketing campaigns or simply want to engage better with your users. Having a well-structured lead form is essential. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a fully functional lead form up and running. First, we'll start by accessing your website's content management system. This is usually where you have the ability to customize and manage the various elements present on your website. Once you're there, look for the section in your dashboard where you can add new elements or features. This might be labeled as plugins or add-ons, depending on the platform you're using. Here, you'll want to search for a reliable lead form plugin or tool that integrates seamlessly with your site. Keep an eye out for popular options that have good user reviews and support. Once you've found a suitable lead form plugin, go ahead and download or install it. Installing this tool usually involves following easy prompts on your screen. Upon successfully adding the plugin, you'll need to activate it, which is typically just a click away in your dashboard. This will enable all its features for you to start customizing your form. Next, navigate to the settings or customization area of your lead form tool. This is the fun part where you can really tailor the form to meet your needs. Consider what information you'll require from those filling out the form, which might include name, email, phone number, and any other details relevant to your goals. Keep it balanced, ask for enough information to be useful, but not so much that it discourages people from completing the form. Creating clear and concise labels for each field is crucial. They should guide users naturally through the form. Additionally, pay attention to the overall design of the form. It should align with your website's look and feel to make a seamless user experience, maintaining consistency in terms of colors, fonts, and button styles. Once you've customized your fields and design, it's time to preview your lead form. Many platforms have a preview feature, which is incredibly useful to double-check how the form appears and functions before going live. Check for any text errors, ensure everything displays correctly, and that every field works as intended. Finally, place your lead form on the page where you expect to get the most engagement. This could be on your home page, a dedicated landing page, or even a sidebar. Depending on the plugin, you might be given a short code to insert or a simple drag and drop option. After placing your lead form, make sure to publish or save the changes you've made to make them live on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully added a lead form to your website. Don't forget, it's a good idea to periodically test your form and make sure all entries are being recorded accurately. Thank you for watching, and get ready to watch your engagement grow.